Deck and brush height maintenance. First, ensure deck is up and off of floor. Removal of brush door. Down and release. Remove end cap. Pull brush directly towards operator. Two sides to the brush, cogged, facing out, hubbed, facing in towards motor. Repeat on opposite side. Debris tray removal. Reinstallation. Front jet assembly directly underneath the machine. Jet here, inspect and make sure free of obstruction, preventing continuous spray. Reinstallation of the brush, hub side in, pull back, reinstall, ensure brush turns properly and freely inside the assembly. Repeat the opposite side.